So traders, you read the title. So you know what? You know what? Let's go straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty guys, before I get straight into it, make sure you grab that free access to my trading course, link below. Let's get straight into it right now because the cup and handle pattern on the big picture, right guys? So what I'm talking about right now, the big picture here, the monthly charts, what we're looking at right now is the daily charts on gold. Actually, let's bring up the GOD because that gives me a lot more data, okay? And the GOD charts, if I bring up the monthly charts here for a minute, is we can see, actually, you know what? Let's actually bring up the, oh yeah, we'll just use the monthly charts. Let's use the monthly chart, but I want to use the monthly chart in a result of no moving averages or nothing on the screen at all. So let's bring up this chart here. We can see what's happening here with gold right now. Potentially getting that V bottom here. We still have to wait for that, but that was for yesterday's video. If you haven't seen that, go check out that. But if this is your first time here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, the thing about gold is that we are still creating this massive cup and handle pattern because this is a monthly chart. So it takes time. It takes, quite a bit of time to get this cup and handle pattern. And it may take another 6 months for it to fully confirm. And so we can see that we've had this very, 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 very strong move up through here. Very strong move up, right? And a lot of people like, isn't it interesting? You see people like, oh my goodness, gold went down in 2008 crash. That was the crash there. And then it went for that. People talk about this here. Especially Harry Dent. Have you seen him talk sometimes? He's like, gold went down as well too. It's like, hang on a minute. Yeah, it went down, but what happened afterwards? Like, it went for a massive move where the stock market, it took a while for the stock market to turn around. Anyway, so we could see that we had this very big move up, and now what we've got is we've got this move up, and then we've got this this point through here, and then this is round through there, and then we've got this handle pattern all through here. So we are still in the makings. We haven't deviated from this massive cup and handle pattern. And this is still giving us an overall big, broad, bullish sentiment for long-term investors and buy and holders and so on and so forth. They're still giving us a big, broad, bullish sentiment to this. It's just taking quite a bit of time to fill in this handle, as you can see. And remember, guys, every single bar is a month. So if you come tomorrow and say, oh my goodness, John, I thought you said we're in a cup on handle and we're going to go up. Like, all right, Bumblebee, you can see the door, you can go there, right? 10 push-ups for you for being a moron. Or you can come and join the gym with me and I'll kick your ass in the gym. I tell you what, people actually talk about that. Whenever I go to the gym, sometimes we partner up with people to do different partner workouts in classes. Because I do like the F45 gym, and some people like, they're literally like, oh, I don't want to partner with him. He's crazy. So come train with me. Anyway, so we can see that this cup and handle pattern is still in play, guys. Now, where is the confirmation that this is now confirmed? And once the confirmation is confirmed, where is the projection of where it's likely to go? Well, firstly, that's actually the first question is, where is confirmation? Confirmation is a break above all-time highs. So see this high point up here? Once we start to get a race back up to here, or way back up there, that's telling us then that this handle pattern, which if you just look at it, it's just what? It really is just a low, higher low, rally up, pull back, massive higher low, right? It's just a major higher low in the market. And away we go. So the confirmation is a break above all-time previous highs. Now, once we get that, once we start to get into the 200 print on the GOD, Now I'm not saying we're definitely going to go straight there, guys. Okay, we need to wait for that first. All right, so that's a bit of we need to wait to see the confirmation of the pattern. Once we do get the 200, then what we do is we measure from the high of where this cup is. The cup is. I was going to say was, but it still is. And then we measure from the low point. So once we start to get break above here, once we start to get into the 200 level, then we say, okay, now we have a massive probability that the cup and handle pattern is telling us that we are now likely to see up through there. And so that would give us a target once we break past 200 that we're on our way up to about 270, which doesn't sound like much, but just imagine you having call options with that. Like, just what is that? Well, that's like what, a 30-40% rise. Now, if we actually went to the gold price itself and did that projection, let's actually, I use the GOD because we can use this data back here. If I go back to this chart here, I'm using the TC2000 platform. If I use the trader view or trading view, it gives me a lot more data. But if we look at the actual, boom. Oh, I've actually got it already drawn up. There you go. Sorry. So you can see here, we've got that point through there, and we're still going through this. As you can see, we're still going through this overall cup and handle formation through here, big picture sort of stuff. As you can see, like that through there. Once we start to break above this point through here, above say 2000, then that would give us a projection of 2,700. And then I believe we're likely to overshoot that. This is just a projection based on that. But the market loves round numbers. So as you can see, right, look at this here. It was almost around 1,000 that the market just below 1,000. And then as you can see, it was 1,000, just below 1,000 to basically around about 2,000 was that. So once we break 2,000, we're probably likely to see another 1,000 move to the upside. And again, market loves round numbers, so we're probably going to overshoot this and hit that 3,000 mark. So if anyone is looking to get into gold because they're worried about inflation, but you're looking for a good time, keep an eye on this. Why? Because again, we're looking at the monthly charts here. Once we start to develop this point up here, then if you're looking for a long-term investing, you would have a stop down the below here, right? You'd have a stop down below here, which would give you a what sort of stop? It would give you a 20% stop. So you'd have your risk management and so on and so forth. Then you have a 20% stop. That's where your stop would be. And then your target, that would be stop would be, so a 20% stop. And then you'll be looking for at least double, or you'll be having like a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you're looking to, but then that's the minimum, right? Because if things really get heated up, like Jim Ricketts and all that sort of stuff, they say 5,000, so on and so forth. That's what could end up happening. So if you're looking to get into gold because you're worried about inflation, but you're looking for a good time, looking for a good time, then take this thing over here, right? You're looking for a good time to get into, then I would say that'll be a really good high probability entry point. Is that if you're looking for right now could be a good time to buy into it. You know, if you're absolutely just 100% certain about it. But if you're looking for a good probability time, then once we break above here, have a stop below there, and then we may see 3,000, 4,000, 500, 5,000. If we do end up seeing what Jim Ricketts says, which is like a 10 to 15,000, then you can ride that up with that stop through there. And then you can ride that through there. So that's what I do see there, guys. Hope this helped you out. Again, we're looking at this big, massive cup and handle pattern, is cup and handle formation. And it's just absolutely just amazing. So traders, because you're still watching this right now, that tells me you're part of the 3% club. 97% of the people out there suck at everything they do because they're not committed. They don't even watch the videos all the way through to them. They watch a little bit and then they nick off because they're bumblebees, right? So this is what I want you to do. I want you to put gold moon action. So putting gold moon in the comment section below. One, that shows me you're part of the 3% club. And secondly, it's going to confuse the hell out of everyone who watches these videos. Go do that right now, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years, and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.